So today in this video we can see that communication of PLC SCADA, that means how we can communicate PLC and SCADA together. First we can go on PLC and set our PLC on program mode, and then come on desktop. Here we can open first RS Links software. In RS Links software we can open configure driver. First stop the running driver and open the new driver RS332. It's a PLC driver and it's okay. Auto configure, then okay. Close and minimize this. Do not close the tool. Then open RS Logics Micro English programming software. Here ladder logic software, we can make the program on here that can upload on PLC. There is some issue coming, so we can open Wonderware InTouch SCADA software. Here we can take a new window, give some names to the window. I am giving AJ, then click on OK. Ignore everything. Take a new page, give some name. Here I am also giving the name AJ. Select this color of page. I have taken the blue color and extend the page size. We can make here the PLC SCADA software that can visual to us. I have to go in making a toggle switch. That means a single switch. When I can push, then a light will on. When I can again push, the light will off. You have to take toggle switch and give a tag name. I have to give a tag name T and double click on tag name. Select its adds input output discrete, not real. Then SS, here add your SS name. SS name you can take any name, give any name to them. I have to giving AJ also. In here we can write the program software name, that means RS Logics not RS Links. Then click OK. Here we can give the binary address. It is the alternate address given on Micrologics English. On that we can take a alternate binary that can works both in PLC and in SCADA software. Save, cut these error and then close. Select input output. Give the fill property to the lamp. When our lamp will on, then green color will show, and when the lamp will off, then red color will show. Here I am giving the addressing is L, and double click on L lamp and text input output. Here we can give the other addressing, output addressing. In our SCADA, input addressing is not work, but binary addressing is provided. It works. It read only binary addressing and output addressing. So here we can give output addressing same, but in place of input address we can give a alternate binary address. Here we can select our PLC. My PLC is Micrologics B1100B. So I have selected 1100B and then take a new run and create the project. Here I am going to make a toggle switch. Take to no NC and then output another run. Take also two, one NO, one NC, then again one NO, and the other output. Here the output is only one, but other output is we can provide a binary addressing, but only one output addressing is provided. Here we can give the input addressing. Input is also one. This is output addressing. Here I have to give binary addressing. This output addressing provided to the second line NC contact, and the binary address output addresses is provided to the second rum's NO switch, and the third binary provided on the first rum's NC. Here we can make a complete toggle switch. This is the binary address that will communicate to the PLC and SCADA. This address is provided in the SCADA software. This switch configure and then upload this software in your PLC. Here the uploading will in process, and the uploading is done. This can ask you to go online. Yes, you can go online, and in PLC you can change your mode in run mode. Okay, so we are here in a run mode. We can see how it's work. You can open your driver configuration, and here you can add a new and give the name that you can provide in the new SCADA software. Here I have to giving AJ, and open this, select your PLC model, then click on apply. Okay, and minimize this software. So we can go on SCADA software. Here the SCADA, we can run this first. This is toggle switch. When we can push this switch, you can see output will also on.